What if I told you that just 1 minute a day could completely transform your body? No gym, no equipment, just your body and the floor. Sounds too simple, right? But here's what actually happens when you plank every single day for 60 seconds, and why your body starts to change faster than you think. Part 1: The Science of the Plank. The plank is one of the most effective core exercises ever created. And here's why. Unlike crunches that only target your abs, the plank activates over 20 muscles at once, including your abs, shoulders, back, glutes, and even legs. When you hold a plank, your body becomes a statue. Every muscle fiber is firing to keep you from collapsing. That constant tension, it burns calories, strengthens your posture, and builds deep core stability that no sit-up can match. Part 2: What happens to your body in just 7 days. Day 1: Your whole body shakes, your arms tremble, your core screams, and 30 seconds feels like forever. But by day 3, your muscles begin to adapt. Your body learns how to balance and engage more efficiently. By day 7, you'll notice your stomach feels tighter, your posture straighter, and your abs begin to activate even when you're not working out. You start standing taller without realizing it. Part 3: What happens after 30 days. After 30 days of just 1-minute planks, your metabolism increases. Why? Because muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. You'll feel stronger doing push-ups, lifting groceries, even sitting at your desk. And the best part? Your lower back pain starts to fade, because your core is now supporting your spine properly. 1 minute a day turns into a chain reaction. Better strength, better posture, and a leaner waistline. Part 4: The Hidden Benefits. But it's not just about looks. Planking daily improves your focus and mental toughness. That 60-second hold becomes a battle between your mind and your body, and every day you win that battle, your discipline grows. It's a mental workout disguised as a physical one. So here's the challenge. For the next 30 days, do just 1 minute of planking every morning. Film your progress, you'll be shocked at the difference. If you're ready to transform your body with just 1 minute a day, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's build stronger cores together.